Hey, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how you can get Premium Divi Theme and plugins worth $250 for absolutely free. But before we dig deeper into the video, if you have come to our channel first time, then make sure to subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon for more videos like this. Now, without wasting any time, let's start the video. You might be wondering, why are we giving these premium themes and plugins for free? Right? Some might even call us crazy for giving away these premium themes worth $249 for free. So what's the catch? Well, there's no catch. We have the lifetime membership of the Premium Divi themes and plugins, and we have the license to install those on unlimited number of websites. So in a sense, it has cost us money to get these themes and plugins. We use those for using it for our own clients and projects. But, if you are interested in our offer, we don't mind giving you access to those for free. So, all you have to do to get this exclusive offer is purchase Hostinger hosting using our affiliate link. Hostinger is one of the most affordable and quality web hosting provider in the internet. If you are just starting out, then it is the best choice for you. You see, we are an affiliate partner with Hostinger. If you purchase hosting using our affiliate link, then Hostinger will give us a small commission for referring a customer. But it won't cost anything extra to you. We do get paid at the end of the day, but not by you. In fact, if you sign up using our affiliate link, you will get a discount of 70% off. Plus, you can claim an extra 7% discount using this coupon code. So you see, it's a win-win situation for all of us. You get 70% off and a $249 premium theme, and we get a small commission from Hostinger. To qualify for this free Divi theme and plugin, you need to sign up with our affiliate link. Please don't use other links, external coupons or different hosting providers. On a safer side, you can clear your browser cookies and sign up in an incognito private window. Also, please note that the hosting must be purchased from a fresh and new email ID from which you have never purchased from Hostinger. If you have already purchased, and if you renew using our link, you won't be eligible for the bonuses. Also, bonuses will only be given for hosting purchases of 1 year and above. If any of the criteria is not fulfilled, we won't be able to deliver you the bonuses. Bonuses will only be given once the purchase is reflected in our dashboard, no exceptions. Once you purchase a domain or hosting from our affiliate link, you only need to fill the form that's given in the video description. Then we will log into your Hostinger account and set up WordPress, and then provide you the Divi theme activation license. Alternatively, if you wish to install by yourself, you need to mail us and we'll give you access to the API keys of Divi themes and plugins. None of our involvement in between. That's all about how to get Premium Divi theme and plugins worth $250 for absolutely free. If you like our video, then make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends to help them. Also make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching this video.